Welcome back to the Audi 100 coupe build, and I thought it was 2 years ago when we first started this build, but I was looking through pictures the other day on Facebook and actually noticed it was from December 2021 when we found the Audi and were commissioned to build it for a customer. A lot's happened in that time. We stripped the car to assess how good the body was, and then we bought a 1.8 20 valve turbo Passat to use as a donor, stripping it for the engine, wiring, hubs and brakes. The build was then put on hold due to unforeseen circumstances in the customer's life. But we moved forward, and this is where we are today.
We were having a bit of a nightmare last week, weren't we, with regards to the sunroof and the engine.
Well, the mounts.
The mounts. The engine mounts were missing. Royal Mail had lost them after we got them powder coated. So we've tracked some down. They are in Germany and we've placed an order for them. They should be here next week. But massive thank you to everybody who gave comments last week. The comments, what do you think? We were just talking about it.
We were just on about it. Well, there were some brilliant comments.
Some brilliant comments. Really great. I love how you guys get involved with the builds that we're doing. Tell us what your thoughts are, and a few people said that they were the same as the Audi A4. Now we don't know the part, we've checked the part numbers and the part numbers are slightly different, but like I say, we found some proper ones, Passat ones in Germany, but brilliant on that. Also the people were saying about the sunroof. They were saying that it's very similar to, it looks very similar to a Mark II Golf. I've had a word with Matt from Mark II Golf Spares, sent him some pictures. He said it does look like it, and he's actually sent some stuff up to us which should be here today. Fingers crossed that they fit, because they do look very, very similar. You're going to put the gearbox on today.
Yep.
Gearbox is going to go on the engine. Because we haven't got the mounts, we've got the gearbox mount, so we can still put the engine in, and we're going to suspend it. This is why we got this out. We're going to suspend it from this. This sits on the inner wings, so that sits there. That goes underneath, and then we'll suspend the engine, so we can start working stuff out, mocking stuff up. Going to put the seats in, and I'm going to start putting all ancillaries on as well. I may, if I feel lucky enough, start putting the door surrounds in, the window surrounds in, because they're horrible, aren't they, to do?
Best job on earth, that.
We were discussing, we said this, I think when we did the last Audi, that we think they give that job to the apprentice to do, don't they?
Yeah, just to break them in.
Yeah, horrible job, horrible job. So we're going to do that. Yeah, let's get on with it. There you go, mate. That one's yours. Tea and toast.
Cheers. I'll put it on this nice clean surface here.
Yeah, that's perfect. Here's a one for the viewers. I had this discussion the other day. I like my toast, my fruit loaf, whatever. You like it, well, you don't mind it anyway, do you? It's food to you, innit?
Yeah.
You like it with it melted. I like my, excuse me, went down on all then. I like my toast when it's cold and like loads and loads of butter on it when it's cold. You see, that's a bit warm for me. But I like it really cold and loads of butter on. But my mate...
I like mine melted in.
Yeah, my mate goes mental when he sees me do it like that. But that's how I like mine. How do you like yours? Do you know what?
What?
It don't go this way. It goes the other way. And the reason I know why is because I've just noticed there's some prongs here. And there's a hole there.
Oh, so it goes down
The
that
opposite
side.
way. And the other reason I know why is because, if I undo that out, come out.
You'd have thought we'd have remembered after all this time where it all went.
Oh, after 2 years, yeah, you think we would have remembered. Right. Right. And the reason I do know why now is because if we turn it that way around and it comes in this way, there is an earth wire there.
Oh, is there an earthing point on
And
this
there's an
side?
earthing point. There's a little earthing screw there. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
So that's where that goes. Yeah. So that clips in like so. Earthing point. So. Prong edges.
It's boring when you know where everything goes, though, isn't
Of course it is. Of course it is.
And it goes together easy.
But it's like when you're doing something like this and you don't know where it goes, or you forgot, because it was 2 years ago, that if you actually look, there is telltale signs, isn't there? Like I say, like them prongs, that earthing strap there.
Yeah.
And you can actually see where the metal tabs held it in place. So that it goes. Yeah, so I'll put these in anyway.
I probably need an hand moving this engine in a minute anyway.
Yeah, okay.
Right, what's that?
Hey, buddy!
Hey up.
Pops for you.
Aha! You're kidding me.
I'm good, me, you know.
Where were they?
They must have been up yonder, like, but yeah. You're very lucky. Very lucky.
They are, they're the ones that we wanted, mate.
Thank you. That's all.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Well,
Can you
we,
get out done that?
well, we can start putting it on, but we've ordered them. We've had to actually order some from Germany, some new ones.
See if you can play.
So we'll take that at your wage.
Thank you. I don't get much anyway, so I don't
Oh, that's brilliant, is that? Thank you. Brilliant. Thanks for your help
Thank
on
you.
that one.
It's looking well.
Cheers, bud. Here's a Stanley knife.
Stanley knife.
It is the ones, but it says Aerocoat on them.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's mad, isn't it?
It says on here, oh, first attempt, 30th of December, second attempt, 3rd of January. But why haven't they left a card or anything? And also as well, there's a note on bloody gate saying send it
where
over
to
the
drop
road.
them. Where to drop them to.
Yep,
Yeah, that's it, innit?
yep. There we go. That's one of them anyway. So these are the engine mounts that we wanted, that we've been looking for, that we thought had been lost. We've got them, but it's going to cost us more. That's this side. There you go. Yeah. And now do you know what's going to happen? Well, I'm going to have to splash out and buy some more new bolts for this
Yeah,
side.
to fasten them all.
But at least we've got them. At least we've got them. Good old Lee.
Oh, we don't need a frame now then, do we?
No, we don't. Can put that way. Push that way first.
Yeah.
I can't believe how light this thing is. I know it's not got an engine.
I've got an engine in yet.
Yeah, but it's so light, isn't it?
Need to get them drive shafts in as well, yeah, don't we?
Yeah, we need to get drive shafts in, don't we? So when power steering's lovely. We're gonna miss that.
Yeah, we missed that. Hang on, I'll just... Oh, we're gonna have to have a shuffle.
Why are we not missed?
No, we're not gonna miss leg.
Oh.
We'll just go forward. It's not a million miles off. Right, we passed it. You can throw it over. Why do they want to listen to me rabbiting on? Right then.
Action.
Because I knew you were going to do that. These are his engine mountings, and they fasten under the body, and the engine sits onto it. But we've had to do a bit of clearance in because obviously powder coat were a bit thick.
Yeah.
So we've done that. So we'll have to.
They're the engine mountings that we've had actually specially made out.
Yeah.
Because the Audi, it has some silly mounts that come off here and go onto the Audi engine.
Yeah, they were on top of the cross member.
Yeah, they were, yeah.
Nightmare to do, wasn't it? With
So-
the original engine out.
We've put these brackets in that you'll see in a second, and they bolt up to it on that bit there.
That bit bolts to the engine, that bit bolts under the chassis, doesn't it?
And that's why we couldn't do it earlier, because we didn't have
We didn't have this
that,
bit.
we had it
Oh no, we had
always.
this bit. We didn't have engine part, didn't we?
Yeah, didn't have the engine brackets, did we?
Yeah.
So you like go on then, you stick that one on. I can show people where it lives.
just sort of go under there.
Hang on, if I get that.
And it's bolted on with 4 bolts.
Nice and secure.
That's all been strengthened, hasn't it? It's all of a strengthening plate put in.
And then, let's say, that
sits on there.
onto it, level it up. That's one hurdle out of the way then, isn't it?
It is.
Engine and gearbox is in, mountings are on. We're just looking at it. We don't know whether we're going to raise it up a little bit, do we?
Yeah, it does look a little bit low, but it must be where we had the other one.
Same, because we had templates for engine mounts.
Yeah.
So, but yep, it's in and it's solid. So those are the engine mounts that we were talking about. We haven't put the bolts in fully yet, obviously, because we're going to put some different bolts in there. But yeah, that's the brackets that we made. Go on to the original engine mountings and then onto the
That we lost.
that we lost, and then onto the engine mountings.
Yeah, it's all, well, everything's standard as much as we can keep, isn't it? Because it makes it easier for.
Yeah, that is.
Finding bits.
This is custom. Obviously, all this is strengthened all underneath here. That our engine mounts bolt to, and then we've got the gearbox mount underneath. Oh, so that's all in place. Do you want me? Can you see that? So there we go. Gearbox mount again. That's all custom made. These brackets are made. They're standard, and then that's been made as well. It's looking pretty good, mate.
Yeah.
Just need to get some new bolts. But that's it. Oh. All in. And looking pretty good. So I think we'll call it a day on that, don't you? Not a bad day. Engine in. If that's not worth a follow and a like, I don't know what is really, do you?
No.
Right. We'll say goodbye for now. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care from me.
Goodbye from me.
A few people have been asking us about the RS van and the progress of it. Well, here's just a couple of quick photos of where it's at the moment. Lee's doing a fantastic job, and as you can see, it's in primer, so hopefully it should be with us shortly.
Right. Oh, hang on. Let's deliver it. Packets arrived from Mark II Spares.
All right.